YouTube just released an important update about 3 hours ago, and this is strictly relating to monetization and revenue. If you notice, for the past 3 days now, there's been a glitch on YouTube revenue. It's like nothing is moving. Just early this morning, I was on a conversation with one of my old students, and I was trying to make her understand that I don't really know what is going on with my revenue. As of yesterday, from the revenue on my lifestyle channel, imagine only $1 added upon all the views that I've been gathering lately on my channel. So when I went over to the YouTube Twitter platform, I discovered that a lot of people there were just complaining that the revenue, something is wrong. Somebody even went to as far as saying, imagine getting 100,000 views for a video and YouTube did not even increase his revenue. So right now we're going to be going over to the important notification they alerted us on our YouTube studio this morning. So if you're monetized or you're not monetized, you can as well go over to your YouTube studio and check if this particular notification was sent to you. Okay, so let's head over straight to my YouTube studio, and from this notification side you can boldly see there known issues. Anytime you open your YouTube studio and you see these known issues showing, it simply means that you have to click on it for you to know what's up. And okay, so now let's go over and click on the known issues, and you can see it was just dropped about 3 hours ago. Now when you click on it, let's head over and see what YouTube have to say for us. Now from the screen here, you can see it issues with ad revenue metric. So now let's quickly read it through. Hi creators, we are aware that some of you are experiencing an issue with incorrect ad revenue metrics displayed on newly uploaded videos. Man, like my own is actually worse. Imagine $1 adding from my both channels though, the both channels. So this is what they said. Our teams are aware and actively investigating that issue. We will update this trade as soon as we have new information. Thanks for your patience. From YouTube, monetization on YouTube. So this is to let you understand that as a YouTuber, each time you notice something going on in your channel or maybe your videos, or you notice that your revenue all of a sudden start to drop, quickly go ahead and make your research before you start panicking. Though before having that chat with my student this early morning, I said that maybe after I will come down to really check what is going on, because I'm posting videos back to back on my channel and I'm getting the views, but the revenue is not just increasing. From my main channel as of yesterday, I will not lie you guys, the only thing added was just $2. While on my lifestyle channel, the only thing added was just only $1. Which I have never experienced it before. Even the very first time I got monetized on YouTube, I wasn't even paid $1. Talk less of. Okay, but the good thing is I'm really happy that at least they are able to like inform us about this, and hopefully they're going to be working on it. So finger crossed, maybe from tomorrow or next tomorrow, yeah, I believe that every single thing is going to be back to normal. Okay. YouTube is not easy. YouTube is not easy at all at all. And so if you're out there, you are not yet monetized, maybe you're still struggling to get your 1,000 subscribers and your 4,000 public watch hours. I just want you to understand that every single thing is going to come. It's just a gradual process. Just make sure you're doing the right thing, okay? Monetization is sweet though, but there is a lot of work that is the minute you get monetized, that is when you will understand that YouTube is not a joke. YouTube need work. You're going to really work. So take your time, do the right thing, find the right audience, try your best to get your channel monetized. And the minute you hit monetization, you push down, you work more. Okay. So this is what the update is all about. And if you're out there, you've been confused, or you saw it this morning and you're like, Jesus Christ, what is going on? Calm down, calm down. Because I remember that there was the very first time, as of about 6 7 months ago, when I got similar notification from YouTube on my YouTube channel, the notification side. My heart was beating. I was like, Jesus Christ, what have I done? To even click on it, I was just panicking. what have I done? Hope these people is not going to send me email that, because I just got monetized back then. So do not be scared. This is just a minor glitch which they're going to be taking care of very soon. It has been happening. This is not the first time. Neither is it the third time. Neither is it the fourth time. Okay. So they're going to fix it hopefully, and that will bringing us to the end of this particular video. Okay, so thanks for watching, and as always, I'll see you all in my next video. If you still have any other question, feel free to drop it in the comment section, and I will see you right there. I'm posting this video like right now. All right, guys, thanks for watching, and see ya. Bye.